Where are those SMA babies? Right now, you're in your 20s and crazy. You want to know why? Because you swallow lies. Wikipedia don't even have your story because you were not swallowing glory. They stopped selling SMA in the USA, but why they never would say. The kids that drank that shit got issues gone wild. Walking around with that SMA smile. These group of babies were swallowing a test. Because there's no information about SMA on the net. Not a definition or even a little meaning. Making people think they were dreaming. WIC gave this shit out for fucking free. Now they only sell it overseas. They sucker everyone into drinking they don't know what. Then snatched it off the shelves telling all the babies good luck. They even had a class action suit going around. But it's not on the internet nowhere. People, how does that sound? The SMA kids are in society with us, cutting up, kicking ass, just fucking bad. A lost group of lab rats. They were drinking oral combats. Are you a SMA babe? You need to find that shit out today. Because 10 to 1, you've lost your way. Okay?